welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited. I get to work on another video that you guys requested, which was the review of the tie-dye collection for Colourpop. Today we are reviewing the Aura and Out palette, the green one. A little intimidating, a little scary, even though I love green eyeshadows. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what my final thoughts are, then just keep watching. Stay tuned until the end because I will have the rules for the giveaway. We have a amazing giveaway going right now. It starts today. It's for the Trendmood box giveaway. Very, very hard box to get. This is the first time that I'm able to get it. And it's the 6th box that's been released. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I will share the rules for the giveaway and I will see you guys in 2 seconds. Okay, so here's the look after I've done all the eyeshadows. As you could tell, I couldn't control myself. I had to go in for the pressed glitter, guys. Like, I just had to. So, it looks a little crazy. It looks a little much. Definitely not an everyday look. But, I mean, unless if you're like in Yachty's world, because glitter is acceptable every day of the week. But once I get the lashes on and the eyeliner and everything else in my makeup, I'm sure it's gonna pull together very, very nicely, according to me. I love green eyeshadow. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay guys, so I brought you back in for a second. I finished the rest of my makeup. I just have to now do the lower lash line as well as my lashes and lipstick, but I wanted to have you here for the lower lash line. What I can tell you is that the last time you saw me before this cut has probably been, let me look at my watch here. It's been like 7 hours. I just got busy with work and I was doing a ton of other stuff, so now it's the end of my work day. I've had these eyeshadows on all day long and I just want to show you real quick just how poppin' they are. I mean, it's been 7 hours, guys, like no creasing, nothing. Obviously, I have my MAC paint pot on, but I'm just saying, like, they're just as vibrant as they were in the morning. I did have a little bit of glitter fallout in the bottom section here, but I just wiped that away right before I did my foundation, and I didn't really get any more fallout throughout the day, so that's great news. So I'm just gonna work on my lower lash line real quick. And I think I'm gonna go in with, first with this one here, just all along the lower lash line. Just very lightly. And so it, you know, it's that neon green color, which is just beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with the one right next to it, which I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It comes off really pigmented and bright in the pan, but in reality, it's like a really pretty shimmer, you guys. It's not gonna do a whole lot except just top the green. So I'm gonna just, it might put a little bit of teal or blue sparkle in there, but it's not gonna do a whole lot. I don't even think that it will come across in the camera, but it gave it a little bit of a bluish hue, which I love. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love, love, love the formula. This is not the first time that I'm using Colourpop formula. I got my box about a week and a half ago, so I've been playing with the Going Coconuts palette a little bit. I wanted to test to see if the formula was the same as the Going Coconuts. In general, I've always heard really great things about Colourpop. I had just never tried them, so I wanted to go ham in. Like, I wanted to try all of the different formulas in the palette. I wanted to try the pressed glitter. I can tell you that the blues for me are just a little bit more pigmented, but overall, I just love the way that it all came together. As crazy as I am and as much glitter as I love, I don't think that this is a wearable look for every day for most people. If you're yachty, like, glitter doesn't bother me. I can do it all day, every day, but all I want to say is that I absolutely loved the palette. I think it's really fun. I did finish the look off with some magnetic lashes that I'm currently testing. I did go into the waterline with this NYX gel liner in the waterline in blue. And I will be listing everything down below. Anyway, so again, the rules for the giveaway. The rules for the giveaway are, leave a comment down below and let me know what fruit you think of when you look at this eye look here. Leave me your Instagram handle or your email, just any way to contact you in the event that you are the lucky winner. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is that you must be following me on at least 2 social media platforms. I am on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Those are really important because that's where I make all of my announcements on what's coming up in terms of video uploads or giveaways. That's where I announce a lot of the things that I'm doing. So if you want to enter the giveaway for the amazing Trendmood box, then please, again, leave a comment down below with the fruit that reminds you of my look, Instagram handle, or email, and then go and follow me on my social media platforms. Good luck, everyone. Bye.